Hey guys, so I just got this really cool discovery here. So I was looking in the storeroom for the blade brackets for that thing I was restoring, the Sears thing, whatever it was, and I found an entire fan motor that I completely forgot about, and I think that's super cool. Uh, this went to a Casablanca Airflow. It's either the La Fountain or whatever it's called, or the La Paz. It went to either one of those two fans, and it's still since it's a detachable switch housing thing. I don't really need to worry much about the wiring being messed up, because although this is missing, you can just get a new one, and it looks like I cut the light wire for some reason, so I'm gonna need to replace that probably. So if I could find another thing that goes on this, that'd be nice. You can see that I tried taking it apart and I had failed. You notice that that plate there is loose. Only has two very short wires, so I'm going to need to extend these to be longer. The windings inside appear to be fine. You can clearly tell why I wasn't able to take this apart, because this, you can tell I tried, but it's stamped on there, and so is this, I think. So what is this, 11 by 20, no, 172 by 20, and this motor is, it's not really the biggest diameter, but the actual thickness is decent. I don't know if that really makes up for anything, but yeah, that's really cool. The last time this ran was like 2 or 3 years ago, so I noticed that I've been finding a lot of old fans from like the original collection, so I think that's pretty cool. So this is another project, so now I have two projects, so that's really cool. So thanks for watching, bye.